Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing about a very critical level for Bitcoin to break. If we don't break this level, then Bitcoin could head all the way down to 24.4k, and this could be the biggest ever bull trap in the history of Bitcoin's price. So I will be discussing about this level. And second of all, earlier on today, there was a leak suggesting that there is an inbuilt Bitcoin whitepaper in every single macOS system. Now I can confirm that this is true. However, I do have some pretty wild theories about this. So do make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. But guys, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm CryptoKid. Age is just a number, but so is the price of Bitcoin. So let's jump in. And currently, Bitcoin is seeing a bounce from one of these key levels that I've also mentioned on my free Telegram channel that you can join using the free link in the description below. I share my TA, breaking news, and my videos when they come out. However, there's three separate key levels for Bitcoin, which in my opinion are very important. Now, I've been talking about this continuation and this potential bull flag situation on the daily chart for a very long time. And I've also discussed that this bull flag can also turn into a double top on the daily chart as well. So that's something we need to watch out for. However, if I jump back into the 4-hourly chart, the levels are the following. So first of all, I'm going to start with the bearish targets, right? The bottom one is the support of this entire continuation channel, which is at 26.6k. Now, if we do break this level, personally, I would be opening a short position. This is what I would be doing, but make sure to do your own research, of course, before trading or investing. I would put it right below. In fact, I'm going to put it right below this wick, the top of this wick, because this was previous swing high too. So that could possibly, we could wick down and then wick back inside. So I would be putting a short just below this wick. And personally, risk management could be, it is actually more important than technical analysis itself. It's super important to risk manage properly. I never like to risk more than 10% of my portfolio into a single trade, and I don't like to lose more than 20% within that trade. So overall, you're only losing 2% of your portfolio if you do end up losing that trade. So that's perfect in my opinion. But I would be personally opening my trade at 26.35k, and then I would be putting my stop loss, in fact, at 26.39k, and I would be putting my stop loss very tight, so just above these wicks right there, so at around $26,678, and that would give me a 1.09% loss. Now I would leverage this up to until I get to 20%. So that would be around a bit lower than like 19x leverage. And of course, that would give us a winning position of 7.32 times 19. Let's just assume it's 20x leverage. That will give us around 150%, 150%-ish of a win. So that would be perfect, of course. However, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a pump right now. This is because Bitcoin held this mid-range support, and we are seeing a pump towards the upside. Now, this is absolutely beautiful, and we could see a pump back to the 28.7k level, and that would give, of course, Bitcoin another opportunity to break above this top trend line. Now, some good news is whenever price touches a trend line, the trend line becomes weaker. And currently, we've touched the top trend line more than we've actually touched the bottom one. So if Bitcoin rallies up to the top of this trend line again, then Bitcoin could see a break finally, and we could head back into the 32k level. But before opening a long position to 32k, I want to see a break of the 29.1k. However, this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. The DXY is forming this head and shoulders pattern. And of course, DXY and Bitcoin are inversely correlated, and we did see a MACD sell on the DXY. And guys, I have a guest, Carl from the Moon. What's up? We just filmed a beautiful Maybach talk with Carl, and it's going to be dropping very soon on his vlog channel, and this will be perfect. But right now, Carl, I'm talking about the price of Bitcoin. Do you have any bullish predictions or any predictions at all?
Actually, I think Bitcoin is looking slightly weak right now. I would have hoped we would break towards 30k already. So we are seeing some weakness in the Bitcoin price currently. We have a bearish divergence. I think we could go down to 25k before we see a pump towards 30k. I like your office, bro. It's very beautiful.
Yeah, I'm in love with the view. Like, look at this. It's just super inspiring. And whenever I look out through here, it's...
Bro, being 15 years old, having an office like this is crazy.
Thank you so much, man.
But we're actually getting late. We're going to go meet Da Vinci soon.
Yes. So I want to end off this video talking about how every single macOS computer has the Bitcoin...
yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, the Bitcoin whitepaper previously installed. And this I found absolutely crazy, because what is this suggesting? Like, is this suggesting that Apple is involved with Bitcoin?
What year was this done?
So we have no clue. We don't know, because basically there's a bunch of secret files on the macOS system.
So it could have been done like a few weeks ago.
It could have been done a few weeks ago. Yeah. So, but I did find some Reddit forums that have talked about this happening a couple of years back, I think. So I think this suggests that Apple, either one of the developers thought he was funny and just did this for fun, or even Steve Jobs, the late Steve Jobs, could have been Satoshi. What do you think?
Actually, Steve Jobs could be Satoshi. I don't think so, but he would fit the profile in a way because he's incredibly intelligent and, but I don't think he was Satoshi. He doesn't share the values of Satoshi publicly, at least. And I don't think so.
Yeah, I think this is just someone thought it was funny and did it. But guys,
your background is crazy, man.
Yeah,
it looks insane.
I know, right? It's like
it looks fake.
no, it's not the look.
Bro, people probably think this is a green screen.
Yeah, I honestly, when you have a background like this,
it's an actual window.
Yeah. In fact, if I show you like this, you can see that the view is even crazier. So, but let's end this off because we are going to dinner with Da Vinci. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Carl, for joining. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Subscribe, leave a like as always. And guys, take care and I'll see you all very, very soon. Ciao.